Hello fellow entrepreneurs, welcome back to another episode of our series, Introduction to Vending Industry. In this episode, we are going to talk about the hurdles that you need to overcome or at least be aware of if you want to thrive in your vending venture. This will also help us understand why we do not see a lot of vending machines around us. So without further ado, let's get started. The initial investment of procuring a vending machine and then filling it with desired product is very high. And the sales pick up at a low pace. This means that it is highly likely that you might face a cash crunch situation while scaling your vending venture. To further make the matter worse, we have the concept of maximum retail price in India. This means the manufacturer controls the price at which a product can be sold. And as we know, we cannot sell a lot of products through a vending machine. The maximum profit that can be generated is at the mercy of a product brand, and it is not very high. Most people believe that vending business is completely a passive income source, but this is not 100% true. To identify the desired products to be sold through a vending machine and to periodically check if the machine is stocked with those products is a process that requires discipline and consistency. And this problem will only grow as you scale and might hamper your growth. These bread-earning machines requires your love and care. And if enough pampering is not provided, they might go out of service. And if this out of stock or out of service scenario occurs repeatedly, some of your repeated customers might drift away from the machines. This particular issue is more noticeable in developing nations like India. Keeping these fully stocked machines unattended in public places makes them vulnerable to stealing attempt. And some antisocial elements might even try to vandalize them for no particular reason. Some of the aspiring VMOs are trying to solve all the problems that we have discussed so far by developing in-house technological solution. But developing a scalable solution requires deep technical expertise, and it is a time-taking, expensive, and risky process. And in today's episode, we are going to discuss about how Vendify is helping you leverage that. So without further ado, let's get started. We are living in an era of hyper-specialization, which means businesses have started to focus on doing one thing great rather than scattering their focus into multiple domains. And Vendify is helping you replicate this to make your business leaner. For example, we can integrate you to a third-party logistics player to manage your delivery, or to a warehouse aggregator to manage your inventory. And with our remote access feature, a delivery person can access and open your vending machine without needing a physical key. And you can further introduce small players to your ecosystem as a franchisee, where they will invest in the vending machine and you can expand your touch points. And Vendify will help you seamlessly onboard and manage these franchisees. A lot of FMCG brands have started to reach their end consumer directly with e-commerce. But vending machine is taking this one step further with just-in-time convenience. For example, a health food brand can reach directly to their target audience, maybe in a gym, where the consumer need their product the most. With our ERP, you can track and manage the inventory of your vending machine in real time to understand which product is selling well and when to refill it. This will help you never lose a sale. In fact, you can track the inventory at store or warehouse level, keeping the entire supply chain lean and automated. Our hardware board can deeply integrate with a vending machine to provide data on when a vending machine can malfunction, so that you can proactively take the required step to correct it. And in some cases, you can even remotely diagnose the machine. Unlike China and Japan, vending machines have not yet penetrated in most of the countries. This means that there are a lot of close-gated areas like a housing society, school or college campus, hospital, gyms, etc., where you can place a vending machine without worrying about theft and vandalism, as these spaces are way safer than a fully exposed public place. And you can further rest assured with our security feature, if a person tries to break a vending machine, the machine will trigger an alarm and the photo of the culprit will be immediately shared with the concerned authorities. In the last few years, we have witnessed a lot of disruption due to digital payments, and our POS hardware let you leverage that by enabling your vending machines to accept digital payments. This will further save you from operational hassles related to managing cash while keeping your end consumer happy. With a highly capable and diverse tech team, Vendify has built a robust tech solution so that VMOs can focus on expanding their touchpoint and get an industrial-grade solution at a very affordable monthly subscription fee. And the best part is, you will have complete control over the data as well as the branding of the solution. So that's it, folks. Do let us know if you like what we do and if there is any other topic you want us to cover. And as always, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.